Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. In this video, we will be looking at understanding annotations in VIDIZMO DEM. To annotate a video in your portal, select a video from your portal's homepage or evidence library. Play the video and navigate to the point where you need to add a note and click the annotation icon. You will see that specific frame pause and turn into a canvas for you to draw and annotate. You can custom set the timeline defining how long will the annotations be displayed, with the precision of a single frame in a video. VIDIZMO DEM provides the flexibility to highlight, draw, and outline using any color and opacity of your choice. This enables you to obscure a certain part of the video that you wish to redact as well. You can leave your comments and suggestions, or any other information regarding the traced out part of the video. These comments can be noted by other viewers and they can collectively contribute to the analysis by adding their notes. Once you're done, click Save to update changes, or cancel at the top left corner to discard them. Select the video for which you wish to view annotations from the homepage or evidence library and hover over the video to have the controls appear. Click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Using the context menu for the settings, click on View Time Data and check annotations for them to start appearing in the video. Now, play back the video from start to view annotations. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.